Hey non-techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you for watching. And if you are looking for other topics on Shopify, then please click subscribe so you don't miss out on any future uploads. In this video, we will be going over the new LinkPop by Shopify. LinkPop by Shopify is a brand new offering by Shopify. No, you do not have to be a Shopify user to use LinkPop. This is a tool for everyone. It is free to use. So if you ever wanted to have a shoppable link in your bio for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, then this is a tool for you. So coming to linkpop.com, you will see all the information that pertains to the new LinkPop. They want you to be able to create links for your favorite videos, digital wallets such as Venmo, PayPal, your merch, podcast links, NFTs, your socials. It is definitely to make it yours, to have the information that is needed for your customers, for them to purchase your products if you sell products. And if you do sell products on Shopify, it is integrated with Shopify. So they don't have to go through a bunch of steps to purchase from you. When the link is ready, then you just use that one link for all of your platforms and it is updated. So you update it once, and across the platforms is where it will be posted. You also get analytics with this LinkPop tool. So you're able to see how many page views you have, clicks, what links were more popular, which ones created more sales. So you can update and keep it so that as you keep it updated, you can swap out more low performing links or products for more converting products on that page. So there's a little FAQs down here, and then we're going to get started. First, we're going to create our link. So here it pops up, create a free LinkPop account powered by Shopify. So I'm going to put that in and sign up for free. Since this is a Shopify product, you are able to choose an account to log into if you already have a Shopify account. So now we're in, and much like the Shopify dashboard, it is very clean. You have your account up here, you have the logo, and then the let's get started. So we'll click create page. Since I put in the username that I would like for my profile page, it automatically populates here. So you can change it here, but after we create it, it cannot be changed. So we upload a profile image and profile name and profile description. So now we have that. Then click create profile. Now we have our image, we have our name, and we have our blurb. And it says page published. And from here, if we click this link, we'll actually see that LinkPop page there. So coming back to here, you can copy the link to share more actions. You're able to see your analytics. You have your links here, your style here, and your bio information. So you can add in your Shopify store, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, Pinterest, and Patreon. So as you add these in, it will populate a icon for that particular platform. So we'll publish the changes, then we'll come here and refresh. And now we have our icons with our style. You can see we'll publish. So this is our original font. That's the new one. We could change the background color and the font color. So here we can add shoppable links for Shopify. So you'll be able to go to your store and add that sales channel to it. You'll be prompted to log in. Then once you log in, it will bring the LinkPop sales channel up where it will tell you what the information is needed for this, what the sales channel can access on the store, and what it can do. So we're going to add the sales channel. So under sales channels here, we will have the LinkPop. So now our shop is connected. We could browse products, select, change the product name. We can add other links. There it is. We can add another link. There's that. And then let's add in, we'll take that one out. We can move these up and then click publish. Come here, refresh. And now we have our product here. We have our links here. And if we click the product, we're able to see our product images. We can change the quantity of them, how much it is, and the description. So they can add to bag. And here you see a little icon here, which on mobile would be more restricted space. So it will pop up at the bottom of the screen. So we have our shopping bag here with our mug, and then the customer will be able to continue to check out, which the checkout will be sent to your store where they'll input the information and a regular process for ordering through a Shopify store. Then coming to the analytics, here as you start to gather clicks on your page, you're able to see the data from yesterday, 7 days, 30 days, and 90 days. Here is the link performance where the links that are listed on your LinkPop page will be listed down, and it will show the performance of each link. How many clicks does one have, and sales information. You can also go to Shopify Analytics and review the sales from this sales channel. That will let you know how many sales you actually receive from this source. So that is LinkPop. I hope that it was useful. So back at the main dashboard page, you are able to disconnect your Shopify account and connect another one, but that product will no longer be connected to the original one. So once you click disconnect Shopify, it will take you to the help docs to show you how to remove it. So that is the LinkPop by Shopify, where you are able to get this sales page / link in bio for your customers. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions or if you are deciding to use LinkPop out to see how it will work with your business and conversions. Thanks for watching.